In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a Wise business account. If you're getting started with international payments, Wise is a popular choice because it helps you send, receive, and hold money in multiple currencies with transparent fees. Let's walk through the setup clearly and simply so you can get up and running without confusion. First, open your browser and go to wise.com. Make sure you see the secure lock icon in the address bar so you know you're on the official site. On the home page, look toward the top right and select Sign Up. The layout can change slightly from time to time, but that button is typically easy to spot. Next, create your account. You can use your email address or choose a third-party option like Google, Facebook, or Apple to sign in. If you opt for email, pick a strong, unique password and keep it somewhere safe. If you choose a third-party login, you'll connect that service and authorize access as prompted. Either way, follow the on-screen instructions and confirm any prompts that appear. You may be asked to verify your email during this step. That's normal and helps secure your account. Now, select the account type Business Account. This is important because a business profile gives you features designed for companies, such as receiving payments in multiple currencies and adding team members. After that, choose your country. Pick the country that matches where your business is legally registered. This determines what information Wise is required to collect and which features are available to you. Continue with the setup process. Wise will guide you through a short series of questions about your business so they can set things up correctly. Expect to provide straightforward details like your legal business name, the type of business, what your company does, and a registered address. You may also be prompted to share basic information about the people who own or manage the business. Keep these details accurate and consistent with your official records to avoid delays. If Wise asks for additional verification, follow the instructions on screen. It's part of standard compliance and helps protect your account. As you proceed, take your time. Read each page carefully and double-check entries before submitting. If something doesn't look right, use the provided options to go back within the form rather than refreshing the page. And that's it. You've created your Wise business account by signing up on wise.com, choosing the business profile and your country, and continuing through the guided setup. Once approved, you'll be ready to send, receive, and manage funds globally with confidence.